Hey guys, we're up here in northern Minnesota. We're gonna do some whitetail hunting here. It's the 1st of October. We're up on the family farm and we got a couple decent bucks on the trail cam, so we'll see if we can't find us one. But a little warm yet, kind of overcast today. I'm hoping this rain will shut off and hopefully get the bucks on their feet for sundown. So stay tuned. Alright, well, so much for the first sit. I got what I wanted. The rain died down, but the wind never picked up, so it was just, it's calm as calm can be. There was less than a mile an hour. If you dropped some milkweed over the side of the stand, it just went straight down. So saw a couple deer, saw that spike, and then came through with a couple does, but it was just too quiet. The deer didn't want to move tonight, and we'll see what happens again tomorrow. Tomorrow we got to work on some stands. I got to get my rifle stand back up, hopefully, and my son and wife are coming up tonight, so hoping to get a couple shots of them, and we'll try again tomorrow. So see you later.